Alright guys, I have to do a part 2 of this video because sadly my finger accidentally hit stop on the one video, but I can still post the first one, thank goodness. So welcome back to a part 2 of this awesome truck and car show video. So here we got some trucks. I don't know if I show them in my part 1, but might as well show them just in case. Wow, that's cool guys. And stay tuned guys, in this part 2 of this video I'll be showing you guys some cool trucks showing off by the mud area where they do the burnouts and drifts at. So stay tuned for that guys in this awesome video. Here's the back end of these trucks. I don't know if I showed this in my part 1, but might as well show it just in case. There we got these trucks.
He's got the water slide.
Alright guys, I had to pause just for a minute. So here we got this cool truck in the back end.
I guess that one was a little squatted.
Oh yeah.
It had cool.
There's these trucks in the back end, by the way. Ooh, this one has some swag rims, I gotta say. There's the back end of these trucks. Yeah, it sure is hot out today, guys. Holy moly. Ooh, that's a cool sticker in the back of the window on this truck.
Alright guys, I'll let you know if I find any more cool new trucks.
Alright guys, now I'll pause until we get to the area where they show off. So stay tuned in this YouTube video for that.
Cool.
Be back guys. Got a cool truck coming here. Swag rims. Nice truck!
Nice!
Oh, well, that was cool.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's cool.
Here we got some cool trucks here. I don't think I showed yet. I'm actually glad I'm doing a part 2 of this, guys. That's awesome. Here we got some cool trucks in the front end. Oh wow, got some spiked one nuts, it looks like. Some fancy rims.
I like it.
Oh, I already showed this truck, guys. There's what it looks like in the back end one more time. Oh, looks like that guy has TikTok and Snapchat if you want to follow him on there. I might do that too at some point, guys. Might as well show you guys just in case you want to give him a follow and check out his videos on TikTok. Well, that sure is a lot of names, guys. Wow. Cool exhaust, by the way. Here we got a cool truck. Nice rims, by the way. Wow. Got a truck right over there, kind of cool. Alright guys, now I think I'm ready to show you guys the area where they do the burnouts and drifts in that mud area. That's what I call it, guys. So stay tuned. You guys are really going to love this part of this video. Got some cool trucks here. There's that one way over there.
I don't think you got the Reno.
Oh yeah, I don't think we showed these trucks yet. They're pretty cool. Oh wow, that's a nice motor, I gotta say.
That's cool.
Wow, looks like there's some glitter stuff on the hood. That's cool. It's kind of hard for you guys to see. Got some cool rims, by the way. Oh yeah, he has TikTok too. If you guys want to follow him, there's his TikTok page. Oh, yep. Here's the back end of this truck. Oh, wow, that's cool. There's like a mirror that shows you guys that under the truck. That's pretty cool. Got some cool stickers, by the way. Ooh, got a cool Chevy Can-I coming. Yeah, show off. Oh, yeah. Wow, that sounds nice, guys. Here's a quick view of these trucks. There's the back end of this truck, guys. Might as well show that better. Alright guys, I think we showed all the trucks. So now I think I'm ready to show you guys that one area. be back, guys, on this awesome part 2 on this awesome truck show video. Wow, that was a cool sound of this truck, guys. Hopefully you guys heard that okay. There's a quick view of all the trucks, by the way. Got another cool truck coming. Oh, wow, that's a cool Super Duty Ford. Sounds nice. Ooh, look at those nice rims. They're pretty swag. There you guys go. Hopefully you guys heard those truck sounds okay. They sounded nice, I gotta say. Alright, pause until I go to the next part of this video. I'll be back, guys. Ooh, this one's cool, guys. Might as well show these just in case. I'm not sure if I showed them. Wow, this one's cool, guys. It has some whites down there, as you guys can see. Oh, wow. Ooh, I don't think I showed this yet, guys. Here's what it looks like in the front end of this car. Got some cool rims, by the way. There's the back end of it. There's the back end of that older truck, it looks like. Oh wow, there's an exhaust on the top. That's cool. Oh wow. Ooh, got a cool truck coming. Swag rims. Yeah, sounds nice, guys. Oh yeah. Show those quick. I don't know if I showed them, but I'll show them just in case, guys. Here we got the front end of this truck. Oh yeah, there's this guy's his TikTok if you want to follow him. I might give him a follow later today. I'm glad I'm showing you guys the TikToks too. Then that way you guys can check it out. Oh, got a cool diamond sticker it looks like. That's cool. Ooh, nice motor it looks like, or engine. There's the front end of this one. Here's a cool Ram. Cool rims as well. Ooh, this one has some cool rims too. There's the back end of these trucks. Ooh, I really like this exhaust, guys. That's cool. I bet this truck sounds nice. A smokestack it looks like in the back of this truck. Ooh, and this truck too, that's cool. I hope you guys are all enjoying this part 2 of this video so far, and I hope you guys all enjoy the part 1 as well. I got a lot of cool truck sounds for you guys in there. Heck yeah. Got some cool rims here. There's that nice exhaust in this truck. Oh yeah, there's a cool view for you guys. Got here a cool Chevy coming, guys. Oh wow. Got a cool Ford coming.
That's nice.
Ooh, got a GMC right behind this Chevy it looks like. Got some cool rims on this truck. Show off! Yeah! Cool truck sounds for you again?
No.
Yeah, nice.
No ice. Just kidding.
Here we got these trucks, guys. Oh wow, got some swag rims, cool tires. Ooh, got some cool stickers, it looks like. Got some cab lights, I see. Here we got an older Chevy, that's cool. Oh wait guys, I don't think I showed over here yet. Here we got a cool truck. In the front end. Ooh, got a cool exhaust on the top, that's cool. Might as well show you guys the swag rims. Oh yeah. Cool sound of a Ford Super Duty. There's the exhaust. Wow, nice sound. Oh yeah. There's the back end of it better. Got some cool rims, by the way. There's the front end of it. Oh wow. Here we got the Domino's truck, everybody. Got some cool rock lights. Some swag wood nuts, it looks like. Rims, pretty cool. Oh wow, that's cool. Wow. Here's a quick view of all the trucks, by the way. There you guys go. Ooh, I haven't showed over there yet. Alright guys, I'm on the next part of this truck show. Got some cool trucks right here in the front end. Ooh, that truck's back. Oh yeah. Ooh, got a nice GMC coming with some nice rims and tires, everybody. Wow, it has rock lights under there. That's cool. Well, that's cool, guys. Oh, looks like he's backing up.
What they're doing at first.
Oh, got here a cool Ford. Oh wow. Ooh, this truck has rock lights. That's cool. Huh, I thought it did. Maybe not. Yeah, this truck sounds good, guys. Here's the back end of it. Got all these trucks right here. There you guys go. Oh wow, here's the back end of this car. That's pretty cool. Got a cool exhaust. Got some cool lights, I see. Ooh, got some cool rims. Wow, there's what it looks like in the front end. Cool sound of that truck. There's the back end of this car, guys. Well, I never seen anything like that before. That's cool. Got a cool sticker on the car, it looks like. Cool rims. Show those rims better. There's the front end of it. Wow, is that the motor? That's cool. Got here a cool motor in this car. There's the front end of it. Ooh, got a cool Ram coming. Got a unique camper. That's cool. There's the cars I've shown so far. Here we got this car. Ooh, got in the front end of this car, a Grand National, I think it is. Or a Monte Carlo, I meant, is what it's called. Got a nice motor. Might as well show you guys the front end better. Ooh, got a cool truck coming. Wow, I really like those rims. They're swag. Show off! Oh, he revved it a little bit. That was cool. There's a close view of that camper, by the way. I gotta say, that camper is very unique.